Okay, this is getting a little messy.
He thinks an app freezing is complex. He has no idea what is coming. The age of true artificial consciousness.
All right, Eddie. Let's organize this coffee table.
An excellent idea. Order is the foundation of peace.
Exactly. First, let's look at our devices. This is my laptop.
The warm rectangle he uses for work.
Yes, I use my laptop for work. And for studying English, of course.
A very important activity.
Now, this is my smartphone. Or just my phone.
Ah, the magic black mirror. He looks at it very often.
I do. I use my phone for many things. I can call people. I can send messages. And I can use apps.
Apps are applications. Small programs for your phone.
That's a great explanation, Eddie. Look, the battery is low. I need to charge my phone.
To charge means to give it energy. Just like I need snacks for energy.
A perfect comparison. So I plug in the charger. And now the phone is charging. What else do we have here? Ah, the television. Or we can just say TV.
The big screen for movies. And documentaries about squirrels.
You love those documentaries? To turn on the TV, I use the remote control.
That is a very useful gadget.
It is. A gadget is a small electronic device.
A remote control is a gadget. A phone is also a gadget.
You are getting very good at this. Let's talk about apps. I have many apps on my phone.
An app for everything, I imagine.
Almost. For example, I use a music app to listen to songs. I also have a weather app. It tells me if it will be sunny or if it will rain.
Very important for planning our walks.
It is very important. And of course, I have social media apps.
The ones with pictures of other dogs?
Yes, those are the ones. With these apps, I can connect with friends.
To connect is to join together.
That's right, I can share photos. And I can post updates about my life.
To post is to share something online.
People can see my posts, and they can leave comments.
Comments are written, opinions are replies.
I also like to scroll through my feed.
To scroll is to move the screen. Up and down with your finger.
Oh, listen. That was a notification.
A notification is a small sound or message that gives you new information.
You are a fantastic teacher, Eddie. You define these words so well.
I simply observe and report.
You know, talking about all this technology, reminds me of something important. Choosing a new gadget can be difficult.
There are many options available.
So I want to share some tips. Here are 3 tips for choosing a gadget. Tip number 1. Compare the features.
Features are the special things it can do.
Yes, for example, you can ask, which phone is better? Or, which one has a better camera?
To compare is to see what is similar and what is different.
An excellent definition. This laptop is bigger than that one. This is a comparison. Okay, tip number 2. Think about the screen size.
The screen is the glass part you look at.
A bigger screen can be good for watching videos or reading.
But is it comfortable to hold? That is an important question.
It is. And finally, tip number 3. Check the battery life.
The Gadget snack capacity.
Ha, exactly. Battery life is how long the device can work before needing to charge. A long battery life is very convenient.
Convenient means easy, with little effort.
So to review our tips: 1. Compare features. 2. Consider screen size. And 3. Check battery life.
A wise plan for any purchase.
Following those tips is a good start. But even with the best gadget, we sometimes make mistakes when we speak.
A perfect time for our next section.
Yes, let's talk about common errors. First, a pronunciation error. The word data. Some people say data. Others say data. Both are acceptable in English.
Data is the information that our devices collect and store.
Another tricky word is cache. It is pronounced cache, just like the word for money.
The cache is a temporary storage space. Like my secret stash of hidden treats.
Ha! I knew you had one of those. Now, a very important vocabulary error. Confusing the words sensitive and sensible.
They sound similar, but are very different.
Exactly. Sensitive data is private information, like a password. The word sensible means wise, or making good judgments.
So, let me try to use them. You must be sensible about protecting your sensitive information.
That is a perfect sentence, Eddy. You are absolutely correct. This conversation about sensitive data makes me think about online privacy.
A very important topic in the modern age.
Privacy is your right to keep your personal information a secret.
In the digital world, privacy is a treasure to be guarded.
That's a beautiful way to put it. That's why a secure password is so important.
Secure means safe from digital threats.
A secure password should be long and difficult for others to guess.
Not Eddy is the best dog, 123.
Ha, no, that one is too easy. Even if it is true.
It is a factual statement.
All of these concepts, data, privacy, security, are connected.
They form the foundation of trust online.
It really makes you think about the future of technology and our role in it, especially when we think about AI, artificial intelligence.
The topic from the very beginning.
Yes, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest problems. But it can also be a bit scary. It's what we call a double-edged sword.
A situation with both good and bad consequences.
Right? We have to think about the impact, the effect it will have on our lives.
The real question is not what it can do, but what it will become.
What do you mean by that?
Will it ever become truly conscious? Aware of itself like we are?
A truly conscious AI. That's a huge responsibility for humanity.
Our creations reflect our own values.
It's a lot to think about. Technology will continue to evolve.
And so must we.
You always give me so much to think about.
That is my purpose.
So to summarize our lesson today, we started with basic device names, like laptop, phone, and TV. Then we discussed apps and learned how to compare gadgets. We covered common errors and finished with big ideas like privacy and AI.
A journey from the simple to the profound.
And now for our grand finale. It's time for Eddy's Insight.
Technology is a tool, not a master. Use it to build bridges, not walls. Because the best connections we make will always be with each other.
Wise words as always, Eddy. Thank you for joining our lesson today. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. For practice, leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite gadget and why?
My favorite gadget is my heated bed.
Of course it is. Until next time, keep practicing.
And stay curious.